What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how you guys can utilize ChatGPT to skyrocket your dropshipping success. And by using this tool, you're going to be able to save a lot of money, a lot of time, and then also test products very quickly. And if you're anything like me, most people when they get into dropshipping, they really hate having to do copywriting and type up those long product pages. I see that all the time. A lot of new dropshippers just simply import the product from AliExpress, and they have absolutely terrible product pages and wonder why no one wants to buy their products. But now with ChatGPT, you guys are going to be able to have amazing product pages and get the copywriting done for your entire Shopify store within 5 minutes. And this goes for like your product pages, descriptions, about us pages, even terms and service pages, refund policy pages, all of those. So make sure you guys subscribe down below if you guys like videos like these. And first off, we need to understand exactly what ChatGPT is. It's basically an AI chat that has a giant encyclopedia about everything. And it doesn't even use the internet to find all the information that it knows. And it's programmed and trained by its creators to have amazing and very well thought out responses to any types of questions or information that you request. And this has absolutely changed the dropshipping game forever. And I promise you guys, if you utilize this correctly, you can test products and see results a lot faster. So when you guys go to use the tool, you can literally ask it to do anything. So if you wanted it to create a giant product page, an example would be if you asked it to type out the top 5 benefits of using a posture corrector. It'll basically dig through its entire knowledge base to find the best benefits of it. And the cool thing about this is that you can actually type out exactly what you want. So if you wanted 5 bullet points, 10 bullet points, you can even ask it to make it 1 to 2 sentences, anything that you want. And normally how I like to format my product page is that I'll talk about the benefits, features, and I'll also talk about, who the product is for, right? And ask ChatGPT, hey, what type of person would buy a posture corrector and who is this product for? And you guys can see here, a posture corrector is a device that is worn to help improve posture and reduce back pain. Some potential benefits of using a posture corrector include improving posture, reducing back pain, improving breathing, reducing fatigue, boosting confidence. And you guys can see that it gives you a completely thorough and well done description and benefits of the product. And you can directly put this onto your product page. Literally something like this could probably take you 30 minutes or even an hour if you're not that creative. And not only can you use it for copywriting, you can also use it for different slogans and things to represent your brand. As you guys know, I talk a lot about having correct branding on your Shopify store, and this is going to help you exactly do that. Like I asked ChatGPT to create a slogan for my posture corrector website, and they immediately came up with stand tall, look confident with our posture correctors. And the cool thing about this is that it can come up with endless responses. I said to create another one and it says good posture, better health, improve your posture with our correctors. Another really big thing about this tool is that you can use it to create brand names for your stores. A lot of you guys probably struggle with trying to come up with a perfect name. This way you guys don't have to pay people on Fiverr or Upwork to create brand names for you or even do your copywriting. And you guys can see here that I asked it to create 20 different brand names for a posture corrector, and it gave me this in under 20 seconds. Like we have Posture Pro, Correctify, Stand Straight, Well Postured, and the list goes on. Another really cool thing that you guys need to be using with ChatGPT is creating ad copy and scripts for your video ads. If you guys didn't know, secondly to having a really good product, you need to have really good creatives and scripts. If you don't, it's going to be really hard for you to get results even if you have a really good product. So what you can actually do on ChatGPT, you can be like, hey, create me a script for a UGC video of a posture corrector. And you guys can see here immediately how it generated this. It says, hello and welcome to our generated content featuring our posture corrector. In this video, you'll learn firsthand from real people like you about experiences using our product. And then first I would say we have Jane. Jane works in an office, found herself struggling with back pain and poor posture from sitting at the desk all day. She tried her posture corrector and noticed the immediate difference in her posture, and it decreased her back pain. And it's absolutely insane how quickly you can generate these scripts. And you guys can also ask it to create ad copy for your videos at the top for the descriptions. Create an ad copy description for a posture corrector. And although this ad copy is a little overkill, you can definitely see the power of using this tool and saving you a ton of time and money instead of paying people to create these things for you. Another really cool thing that you guys can be using it for as well is setting up email sequences. And if you guys are able to set up your emails correctly and have really good scripts, you can actually add another 30% of revenue that's completely passive. You can say, hey, set me up 3 different email sequences about a posture corrector and add a 20% discount code in each one. As you guys can see here, within like 5 to 10 seconds, it has already generated the first first email, and it even sets up the subject line. It also even gives you a discount code that you can use for your store. And it's not like these are repetitive whatsoever. Like for the second email sequence, it's a testimonial. This way your guys' customers can relate to your product and potentially buy another one. But this has absolutely changed the game for dropshipping, and I highly recommend that you guys start using it because it's going to save you a ton of time on your dropshipping store. Instead of it taking anywhere from like 3 to even 5 hours setting up your site, now you can ask this to create anything for you and set up your Shopify store in under 30 minutes. This is going to be absolutely crucial for you guys that want to test products rapidly and find that first winner. And all you guys have to do to check out this tool is just to go right here. And then also I do recommend that you go to their main site talking about the product itself and how it works. That way you guys can get a lot better understanding of the possibilities with this tool. We have now entered the age of AI, and this is going to change a lot of different things. I think it's going to open up a lot of new opportunities and business ventures that can potentially make you guys millions of dollars in the future. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and got a ton of value out of it. Be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.